What happens when people visit your healthcare website? Most visitors spend only a moment or two. If they don't find answers to their questions or problem, they leave without engagement. How would you like to increase both engagement and time on your website so visitors can learn more? Now you can with GoToHealth Media's new AI chatbot assistant. That's right. We're using AI to educate visitors about all the information that's on your website. Did you know that people now expect websites to feature chatbots for convenient interactions? And they prefer chatbots for getting quick answers. And they rate those interactions positively. Meet your favorite new employee. It never sleeps, never gets sick, takes no vacation, and replies to visitor questions promptly. We help train your AI chatbot assistant from the information on your website. We test it to assure it gives the answers you want. And your chatbot can help set up appointments too. The right answers, right on time. Free up your staff, save time and money, increase engagement, and gain new clients. GoToHealth Media's new AI chatbot assistant. Learn more today at ai.gotohealthmedia.com.